Irish Studies at the University of Montana invite you to join us once again in celebrating Irish history, music, song and culture this fall. Learn about the music of ancient Ireland at President's Lecture on September 19th. Enjoy the melodious strains of the Irish harp on September 26th. Hear the exciting bouzouki playing in October, the accordion and song tradition of West Kerry in November, the amazingly talented Liam and Wayne Lee of the Hothouse Flowers in December. For information and tickets, go to friendsofirishstudies.com, BrizTix.com, or BrizTix Outlets and Rockin' Rudy's. And Humanity Fontana.